What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this is an unboxing and setup of Lenovo smart display. So this is the 10-inch version. I picked this up at Best Buy, and I wanted something a little bit larger than my Google Home hub here. I'm actually going to move that upstairs in the kitchen, and then I wanted a larger screen here to incorporate with the Nest doorbell, the camera, and then also have something cool that Google can talk to you and ask questions and play music and all kinds of other cool stuff you can do with Google products. So definitely want a larger screen. So it'll be really nice to upgrade that spot. So this thing here it works great with Google. So it's your Google Assistant. Basically, you can ask it all kinds of questions, set up your day, find out the weather, traffic, YouTube videos, all that cool stuff with this, and play all kinds of music with it. So it's a nice device. If it's something you're interested in, you can also make video calls as well. So if you want to call someone with the Google Duo app, you can actually do a voice video chat. So pretty sweet. Well, let's get this unboxed and set it up, and hopefully it looks and sounds great. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. Lenovo Smart Display with Google Assistant. Pretty nice. So you'll be able to do all kinds of videos on here, listen to music with the great couple nice speakers here, bamboo design in the back. Pretty nice looking design. You can also do that video chat too if you put it in the vertical orientation. Pretty sweet. All right, let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like inside. Black pin. Let's open it from this side here. Okay, slide that guy off. Definitely let you know that this is a bamboo design. With this texture here. Got a little sticker right here. Fold that up. Boom. All right, guys, here it is. Boom. All right, so for quick settings, swipe from the bottom. So, and to exit, swipe from the left edge. So you exit this way. Quick displays go up like that. Oh man, very nice. Large screen, that's what I wanted. Nice speaker, it's got some weight to it. It's a heavy speaker back here. All right, so that's that. What are the goodies we have? Smart display, warranty, quick start guide, and just some help on different phrases to ask Google. There's your power cord here. And that's probably about it, I think. Yep, just an extra packing for the large base that it has. All right, guys, so there's the unboxing. Let's get it plugged in and see what we see. Nice. All right, be right back. Hey guys, real quick, just want to point out the microphones. These two little dots here are the microphone, and that little switch there is to turn off the camera. And at the top, your volume controls and your microphone control, or mute switch there as well. All right, let's get set up. Okay guys, let's get it plugged in for the first time. Perfect. It's definitely the size that I wanted, right there. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to load up the Home app.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright, so you want to add device, set up a device, new device, home. Yeah, location services should be on. Okay. Alright, I'm going to set up the location here. Looking for device. Google Assistant Smart Display found. Yep, that's the one. So now I'm just going to hook up the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to do that here separate. Alright, so I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi network.
To your new smart display. Let me show you how it works. This is the home screen, where you'll find notifications, reminders, and important information, and learn more about what your Google Assistant can do for you. Say, "Hey Google," to get started. You can ask questions, play your favorite music and videos, get step-by-step voice guidance for thousands of recipes, control smart home devices, and more. You can also ask your assistant to complete multiple actions with a single command. This is called a routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning," and your assistant will show you your calendar, the weather, your commute, and whatever else you need to start your day. Want to share the moment? You can video call friends and family hands-free with Google Duo. Also built in on new Android phones and available for free on iPhones. You can connect compatible smart home devices like the lights and thermostat through the Google Home app on your phone. There you can set up news and media, customize routines, and change the ambient mode, which is what you'll see when you're not using your smart display. To adjust volume or brightness, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And anytime you want to exit, just swipe from the left edge. Give it a try now, and see what your smart display can do for you.
Alright, swipe from the left edge to exit. And there it is. So you got the time, got the temperature, and then various pictures that I set up with my Google Photos. Hey Google, play my Spotify list.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Nice. So there's my Spotify list in full video glory. And if I swipe up, it's like we'll have the volume here. Very nice. Hey Google, next. And there's my Rihanna right there. Wonderful. Picture looks great. Quality is good. How's the sound? All right, pretty good. Hey Google, stop. Nice. There's the temperature, all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm definitely pleased with this one. Very nice screen, bright, clear, and the sound is good from what I've heard so far. All right, guys, so there is the Lenovo Smart Display with Google Assistant in the Rafcave, looking great. And I'm going to have some more fun with some other Google products. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.